offers. New DraftKings customers.
Y'all wonder what I done with all these plugs I had to cut on the drill?
Download the DraftKings Sportsbook app.
That's what I done.
That's code
All the
HEART.
screw holes are plugged
$300 in bonus
on
bets
this.
if your bet
I like
wins when
the
you
looks
bet
of that
$5 only on DraftKings.
being plugged,
The
so
crown is yours.
I've got most of them cut off. I'm using my little crazy tool to do it with, which makes it a lot better. I'll do 4 or 5 here to show you.
Visit ccpg.org. Please play responsibly. On behalf of Blue Hill Casino and Resort.
Well, I bought that guy at Walmart a couple years ago. I caught it on sale for like $20. I said, well, if it blows up, it blows up, because I had a little project to do. And it's still going strong. A little hyper tough. Does a good job. I like to cut off that blade like that. Makes it a lot easier to sand out. And a lot quicker. Cutting them off like that. So that's that. I'm going to do a video later on probably of the push blocks I made for the joiner. So stay tuned, everybody. Thank you. Like and subscribe.